Hello again and welcome back for part 2 of my favorites. This is the non-makeup stuff that I thought I would just put in a little separate bit. If you haven't checked out part 1 yet, I'll link it right here. This is a tutorial that I made using all my favorite makeup products. This look, actually, it's this look. First of all, I need to start the video by letting you guys know that this video was sponsored and approved by BetterHelp. The first favorite thing that I'm going to talk about. As some of you guys know, I do struggle quite a bit with my mental health, depression, anxiety, and I have never talked to anyone about it except you guys, but I mean, I've never like talk to anyone about it. BetterHelp.com is online counseling. There's a licensed therapist. You can pick and choose who you want to talk to. You can talk to them anytime through text, through the website. You can schedule times to talk if you want to talk on FaceTime or if you want to talk on the phone. It's between $35 and $65 a week, and they are available to you at any time. I've been talking with a counselor for about a month now, and I really like it because it's not like an allotted bit of time. If something pops into my head and I want to get it off my chest right away, I send my counselor a message, and if they're available, they respond right away, and if they're not, I just wait for a response. And it's been so nice to just get things out there and talk to someone about the things that I feel like I need to talk about. The first thing you do when you sign up is you fill out a questionnaire, and you can actually choose what values you would like your counselor to have. I wanted a non-religious counselor. I actually did switch counselors about a week in because I just wasn't feeling like I was vibing with the first counselor, and now I'm really enjoying talking to my counselor. You don't have to leave your house. You don't have to get dressed. You don't have to schedule an appointment. You can just talk to them whenever you need to talk to them. If this is something that interests you and you would like to talk to somebody, just follow my link below and you can get started right away. Let's move on to my other favorite things that also help with my mental health because they're things I love. First up, you may have noticed your girl is tanned. I have been using the bondisands Australian tanner. It's cruelty-free, it's incredible. I'm not streaky. And even if I was, they actually have a self-tan eraser, which is great for orange palms, orange knees, orange elbows, but this is my new favorite. I love this tanner. It smells incredible. It's easy to apply because you can actually see where it's going on. I love it. I just love it. It's so good. I've got nothing against being pale. I like that too, but in the summer, it makes me feel happy and good to be a glowing tanned goddess. To be happy, I also have to have clean skin. This is my new favorite cleanser. It's a foaming cleanser. It's by Secret Key. It's from yesstyle.com. I'm not sure how it does it, but it just makes my skin so clean. It feels like it's just like foaming away all my makeup, all the dirt. This is good. This is really good. It smells incredible. It smells like lemon. By the same brand, there's also a lemon sparkling, I think it's called a peel. It's an exfoliating thing, and it's like a sort of a grainy gel, and you put it on your face and your face just starts like sloughing away. It's so cool. Another favorite, this is another Korean product. This is the tosowoong. I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it. It's from yesstyle also. These are the best blackhead strips I have ever used. If you're trying to pull out some blackheads, this is the one for you. I make Luke do them, and I love them. I've just been giving them to everybody because they're so good. And I think the pack of, I'm not sure how many's in the pack. I don't have the pack here. I think there's 8 or 10, and they're like $2 for the pack. How can you lose? Smells also make me really happy. My favorite scent at the moment is Stella McCartney Peony 2. It's one of the very few cruelty-free perfumes. I adore it. It smells so freaking good. And it seems to last a lot longer than a lot of my perfumes. I really like it. My mom was like, "Ooh, you smell good. What are you wearing?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm wearing this." And she went right to Sephora and bought it. So now we smell the same. Thanks, Mom. If you would like to know what kind of music I've been listening to, check out my Spotify playlist. It's like 400 songs, so beware. It's like the music on Spotify. I'll leave a link. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because I think part 1 is probably a bit long. Don't forget to check out betterhelp.com. My link is below. It's really important to talk to someone if you need to talk to someone. I wish it could be me, but I cannot respond to all of my DMs and emails. Or I would love if I could talk to you guys because a lot of you reach out to me when you have problems, and It means a lot to me that you trust me and want advice from me, but I'm not a licensed therapist. I do try to respond when you guys need help, but I think BetterHelp is a better help. I've really personally been enjoying it. I wouldn't endorse it if I didn't try it and like it. Oh, this is a favorite. I just switched to this cute little septum ring. This is from Regal Rose. I'll leave a link. These earrings from Fashion Nova I've been loving. I've just been loving Fashion Nova curve in general. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for watching, you guys. I really love you.